Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Tatkraft Joy Portable Laptop Desk, a versatile and ergonomic solution for all your computing needs. This innovative desk allows you to tilt your laptop tray up to 160 degrees and rotate it a full 360 degrees, ensuring you find the perfect position for comfort and productivity. Designed with mobility in mind, it features 4 360-degree rolling wheels, making it easy to move around your home or office. The height is fully adjustable, ranging from 27.6 to 39.2 inches, so you can customize it to your preferred working height. Assembly is a breeze with all necessary tools and step-by-step instructions included in the package. The laptop tray is suitable for devices ranging from 7 to 17 inches, and it comes with a spacious mousepad measuring 8 by 10 inches. Whether you're working from home or need a portable solution for your office, the Tatkraft Joy Portable Laptop Desk offers the flexibility and convenience you need. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.